Hi everyone, welcome to me and my world YouTube channel. If you like this video, please share to others. If you are the new viewer, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for getting all updates. And in this channel, we are trying to explain lot of topics like MS Excel and MS Word, basics of MEP and kids activities, and software courses like Tableau and general topics. So for easy access of all courses, we organized the playlist in systematic manner. So hi everyone, today we are going to learn new Excel shortcuts. Here if you see in the each cell we have the multiple words. So how to split the multiple words into individual columns. So instead of that, generally we will type individual names in individual cells, and while saying the in this column destination column. So instead of, if you do like that, there is a lot of time will take. So further, to avoid the delay and you have to quick working on the Excel, so there is a lot of shortcuts is there. So here we are going to see one of the shortcut here. So see here only, if you what is the data you want to split, select the data once and go to the data ribbon and select the text to columns and select the delimited. See here characters such as a comma, tab are separate each field. So select the delimited and see that if you select the tab, comma, space. Why? Because I'm selecting the comma, space. See in this in the sheet I have the multiple words by using the splitted into by using a comma and space also. Here see the Srinu space, no comma here for the other single sentence to other sentence. So Balu, Mahin, like Bhagat. So I want to split all the scenarios like the each word splitted by comma or each word splitted by space. So that's why I'm selecting the comma, space, everything, and by selecting the next and select the destination. So where the destination you want to required to split that names. So I selected the destination. See the names are splitted. So it is hardly taking 1 or 2 minutes. So how much you have the working Excel sheet, it will take hardly 2 to 3 minutes to split the what are the data you have. So simple thing, first you want to select the data and go to the data ribbon and select the text to columns. After that you select the delimited and select the criteria, semicolon, comma, space, what are the things, and make it the destination and finish it. It will, your data will be splitted.